Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, please allow me to share with you what happened in the VIP group for the last 2 days. So far, actually, we're running in 110 pips of profit. I'm here showing you what exactly you'll get once you join our VIP group on Telegram. As you can see, guys, the signals are almost all of them in profit. So many greens here and there. Even on Tuesday, the signals have actually reached their take profit levels. And as you can see, as a result, most of these signals are running in a very good profit. So, of course, if you wish, guys, to join Xtreme Trader VIP group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. So anyway, let's now begin with the with the midweek analysis, and let's see now what happened in the market with the last 2 days in this week. So as you can see, of course, we will start as usual with the EURUSD. So now, EURUSD actually was going against our direction for around, I think, 30 pips, 31 pips. And right now, finally, they are back into the profit. So far, this signal is running in about 5 pips of profit. But what's next with the EURUSD? That's the big question. Shall we keep our sell order? Yes or not? The answer, in my opinion, absolutely yes. We should continue selling this pair. And now, we can actually expect a pullback to happen, since right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, the market is actually retesting right here a broken level of a resistance. It now becomes right here a new level of a support, which means the EURUSD is going to continue the rise. But at a certain point, we can actually sell it. The question is where? The answer lies, of course, on the strong levels of support and resistance. Now, right now, exactly right there, we can notice it clearly right here exactly at 1.08459. That was indeed a very strong real level of a key resistance. It was also a fake breakout right here. It was a key support level, as we can see. And more importantly, it was actually the nearest level of a resistance, as we can see right here. That is the nearest level of a resistance to that fake breakout. Which means if the EURUSD continue the rise to reach that level of a resistance, we can sell the market exactly from there. So therefore, that's going to be our new sell signal for the EURUSD, keeping the same edge of the safe zone, which means the safe zone will be ranging only for 31 pips, keeping, of course, also the same take profit level, which means our take profit level will be 103 pips against 31 pips of profit. Let me just write in here, edit this signal to be at 1.084 instead of 83. All right, that's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the pound USD. Okay, now for the pound USD, as we can see, guys, it actually has been ranging inside of the safe zone, but did not exceed it. And those who placing a stop loss on the edge of the safe zone, may God have mercy on their souls. Because I have said many times, the edge of the safe zone is not a stop loss, guys. That is not a stop loss. So please be careful and don't place your stop losses at all exactly on the edge of the safe zone, because this is in the end a safe zone. And the market is expected to be ranging inside of this area. How come you're placing your stop loss right here? I have no idea. Anyway, what we can do next with the pound USD is as simple as that. We will just continue selling the market. It's actually still looking bearish to me. Right here, based on the daily chart, we can notice that the market indeed is still respecting that level of a key resistance right here exactly at 1.269. So meaning, 1.2639. So meaning, if we switch back to the daily, to the 4-hour time frame, we have to highlight, of course, the strongest real level of a resistance, and that can be seen exactly right there. To be precise, exactly right there. Fantastic. Right there, we can see clearly that we had right here a real level of a resistance, even right here, and recently it was a real level of a support, even right here. So meaning 1.264 is a level that cannot be simply ignored. Waiting for the pound USD to rise to another 22 pips, and then we can sell it. 264 exactly, that's going to be our new sell area. However, the edge of the safe zone is going to be expanded a little bit more to be right here exactly at the peak of the previous level of a key resistance at 1.267, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 35 pips against 110 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD is still ranging in the profit so far. As you can see, it went inside of the safe zone for around, I think, about 17, 18 pips. 19 pips exactly. And right now it's running in the profit of about 22 pips. This is actually a winning signal so far. It's running well. And I think there is absolutely no need to adjust anything about it. If it wins back to the same sell level, we will just continue selling it exactly from the same level, since it's actually right here a strong level of a real resistance all the way. So meaning AUDUSD signal remains the same. Let's now jump to the USD CAD, which was also a winning signal, as you can see. Yes, indeed, the market actually went against our direction for about 15 pips. However, right now the USD CAD is running in about 36 of profit, and it's so sad that I don't see any comments here. Come on, guys. At least subscribe to the channel, share the video, subscribe to the channel again, make comments, I mean, say something, anything at all. This is really a good signal. It was a winning one. What's next? Well, to be honest with you, if we go right here to the 1 hour time frame, what we're having right here is indeed inverted head and shoulders pattern, which indicates, of course, a continuation in the rise for the USD CAD. So right now, the USD CAD is actually making here a resistance, is actually facing a resistance, and now there is a possibility of another pullback to happen. If that happens, the market might go down all the way right here to the nearest level of a support, exactly right there, to be precise, at 1.358. And from that point, I believe it's not going to be a bad idea to buy the USD CAD again. Of course, reducing the edge of the safe zone to be just a little bit right here at the nearest level of that support, exactly just like that. So the safe zone will be just 25 pips only. However, for the take profit level, let me just edit the buy level to be at 1.35063, just to, because it's almost the same. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the edge of the safe zone. I was wondering how come it's the same level. 358, sorry, 358. So now we will buy the USD CAD from there, targeting, of course, the same take profit level, which will be approximately 72 pips against 24 pips of a safe zone. Let's now move to the USD JPY, which unfortunately, guys, still remains the same. I still don't have any clue what will gonna happen with the USD JPY. It's really suicide to send any signal when the market is at the absolutely highest level of a resistance in the chart's history. So, in my opinion, guys, if you are not taking it from me, don't take any signal about USD JPY at all from anyone at all. No one in the world knows what will gonna happen here. It's only going to be predictions. It's only going to be gambling. It's only going to be just trying to giving you a signal by any means. In my opinion, that is risky. That is not, this is not trading. If you want to make money by trading Forex, that is absolutely not the right way. So anyway, let's wait for a clear movement on the USD JPY before we can send any more signals on it. Anyway, let's now move to the USD CHF. Well, USD CHF was really a good signal, but unfortunately hasn't been activated. But at least it hit the take profit level. So now, what's next with this pair? In my opinion, the USD CHF is indeed going to continue the rise. And I think the best level to buy again the pair will be exactly at the next level of a key support at 0.897. Let me just explain to you the reason. First of all, let me delete the old signal, and let's see now what we can do next with this pair. Well, for that, we will just simply apply the magic of trend lines. That is my favorite strategy of all time. So what I will do right here, guys, is simply connect the key levels of support trend lines, such as right here, to this level of a key support trend line, and together with those key levels of support trend lines and resistance trend line as well. So you can see the harmony that the market indeed has formed a support trend line, then the bearish breakout happened, then it created here a new resistance trend line, a bullish breakout happened, and then 2 attempts of support trend line. So meaning that is a trusted level. And if you are not sure what I'm talking about, please head to my channel and look up for the videos called The Magic of Trend Lines Part 1 and Part 2. I have explained everything twice in 2 videos about that. Anyway, what you will do next is simply drag the very same line that you have just drawn here and place it all the way right here at the next level of a key support trend line. Exactly right there, right here. That is, of course, the next level of a key support trend line. That is the next one, and that is the one after. However, right now we can notice that the market indeed first here a bearish breakout level from that market. However, eventually this was just a fake breakout because there is not even a single attempt of a resistance trend line attempt right here. However, the bullish breakout happened right there, and now what we can expect from the USD CHF is to continue the fall and respect the same level of support trend line. Plus, of course, that level of a key support is gonna be respected as well. So meaning that's gonna be that's gonna take a lot of pips actually. Sorry about that. So we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 70 pips, guys. 70 pips before we can start buying it. I know that's really a lot, but that's what we are having for the USD CHF. The take profit level will be right here at the absolutely highest level of a key resistance right there at 0.910. So meaning I think, unfortunately, guys, I don't have any other signal to give you for the USD CHF. There is a possibility that this pair is going to continue the rise, to be honest, to another 61 pips. But that's what we are having so far, and let's just deal with it, that this is our chance to buy the USD CHF after it fall to another about 65 or 70 pips. However, the safe zone should not be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 0.869 and 0.893, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 44 pips against 128 pips of profit. Let's now move to the gold. Alright, so unfortunately the gold signal has failed, but I'm not sure, to be honest with you guys, the reason for this spike which happened yesterday. It was really out of nowhere, out of the blue. I mean, that is one of the reasons we cannot really trust Forex market every single day. Sometimes these things will happen, and for that we have to be always prepared. So, however, I believe what happened right here is just a correction, and the gold has just made this spike right here. However, the sell order is still active. I mean, let me just delete the old signal. We are still going to sell the gold, but I just want to delete the old signal to have a clear chart. Right now, based on the daily chart, we can notice that the gold has indeed created here a head and shoulders pattern, which indicates a continuation in the fall, supposedly. I mean, that's what is supposed to happen. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see a very clear head and shoulders right now. Now, let me just tell you that most likely we can sell the gold exactly right there at the level of a resistance at 2180.65. However, to have a safest entries at all, I would like to send you a sell signal to be exactly right here at the highest level of a real resistance at 2188.66. I think, am I seeing it correctly? I need to get glasses, I think. Anyway, that is gonna be, my friends, the best level to start selling the gold. And actually, if we apply here the support trend line, I mean the same strategy that we have applied with the USDCH, with the I think USD CAD. Was it USD CAD? I mean, I forgot. I think it was the, I forgot, to be honest with you. Anyway, I will apply the same method. I will just draw here a support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, and just move it all the way right there exactly to the next level of a key resistance trend line, as we can see. And again, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Now check this out. Right here we are having a real level of a resistance trend line, a fake breakout. Again, the same level of a real resistance trend line being respected for once, twice, again a fake breakout, and now waiting for the gold to rise again to reach the exact same level of a resistance trend line. That's going to be an awesome entry. Combining that with the resistance level right here, that's going to be really a very trusted entry, and the gold most likely is going to sink right there. So meaning, waiting for the gold to rise to another 110 pips, targeting, of course, the lowest level of a real support. One second, let me just be sure. Yes, the level of this support exactly right there at 2159.03, targeting, of course, at least I would say about 300 pips of profit. However, the safe zone shouldn't really be ranging higher than the key resistance right here at 2201.20, ranging for about 128 pips against 300 pips of profit. And that's everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis for the USD pairs and for the gold. Also, I'm happy to say that our signal for the CAD JPY, this was of course the deal of the day. CAD JPY, guys, has been activated. I mean, come on, you gotta be kidding me if you don't give it to me. I mean, it reversed just like 1 pip far away from the entry. No. I'm going to take the credit of this signal, and I will say it has been activated, and it's right now running in a big profit of about 37 pips. It was actually 52 pips of profit. So CAD JPY was actually a winning deal of the day, and for that I hope we can get more subscriptions to the channel, and more activity and more engagement. So until now, of course, guys, until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.